guys, welcome back to House of Organic Beauty. So in this video I will show you guys exactly what I do when using the onion treatment. Okay, today is October the 4th, Monday, October the 4th. So this is like what, the 3rd week that I've been using the onion treatment for my hair shed. Okay, so the goal is to have thick hair to stop shedding. I think that's about it. Yeah, to stop shedding, to have thicker hair, also for hair growth. So I'll be trying this recipe for about a month. It's been 3 weeks so far, so yeah. So you would want a towel, a clip preferably to like clip the towel so it won't keep falling. Okay, a heat hat or a hooded dryer, shower cap, your onion rinse, some water, and I think that's it. This time I will be washing my hair, okay, with shampoo, because yeah, it's about that time we wash our hair, sis. With sulfate shampoo is about that time, okay? In my last video, if you watched it, I did not wash my hair. I mean, I washed my hair, but it wasn't with any shampoos. It was with apple cider vinegar rinse. So yeah, but this time around, I will be washing my hair with a clarifying shampoo. I'm just so nervous because I am going through this hair loss and I'm trying to, every time I do my hair, it's stressful because I'm like, and I'm trying not to stress, okay, but I'm being realistic. Every time I do my hair, I don't, it just hurts my heart that my hair is just falling. Like every time you just run your fingers through your hair, it's falling out. It hurts because it's like, okay, what is going on internally? Okay, the hair is important as well, but what is going on internally? That's what's more important. Okay, so child, I be like on edge, okay? Anxiety. I be having anxiety, you know, when I wash my hair. It's a struggle. I used to love washing my hair, but child, after having babies, and life happening, that's just, things change. So it's okay. God is good. God is so good. So I'm applying the onion treatment to my edges. Okay, focus. And then throughout the whole thing, I'm not saturating it or anything. I'm just, you know, just making sure that everything is coated. Ciao. I'm smelling like they're about to marinate me, honey. Okay. And be very gentle with the hair. My hair is very fragile right now. Honestly, I feel like right now how it feels strong. I feel like I just did a protein treatment and it doesn't feel like it's about to fall out on me. Which is good, you know? So I'm going to accumulate all the hair that I've shed throughout the whole day, wash day process. So now while I'm finger detangling, then in the shower, and then when I am styling my hair, you know, my regular schmegler twist, my everyday twist. I cannot wait to get my mini twist back and my mini braids. Oh, listen, I miss them so much. It's low maintenance, but just the look in general and knowing the fact that your hair is protected, it's just, I don't know, it's low maintenance, very easy to style, wake up and go. Gotta be careful with these snagged pieces, man. So it is like 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm doing this. Oh, no lie, I smell like chicken, bro. Smell like my mama's house. Like I'm about to get cooked. I'm not doing a thorough finger detangling. I'm in a rush. I'm always in a rush, right? To do something or go somewhere. Like, where you going? So far, so good. You know, knock on wood. Clink, clink, the floors. Does that count? If I knock on the floors because it's wood? No. Okay. But yeah, let me finish up, then I will be back. So I am done applying the onion treatment. I'm just going to apply a cap. This is the amount of hair I lost so far, and that's not even, you know, I mean, hey, it's a start. So I'm not going to be discouraged. I didn't even wash my hair yet. Apply the cap now, because this stuff smells. It doesn't smell, it's just, yeah. We'll be applying the heat hat. Let me go do that right now because I'm in a rush instead of talking. So I just applied the heat hat, and I'm going to like wipe down because I don't want this area to smell like onions. I know everything's gonna smell like onions to me, I already know. I do notice that my hair is shiny, so everything that I am using, it's making my hair shiny. Everything I've been using is everything I had mentioned in my other video, the DIY leave-in conditioner from Green Beauty, the onion treatment, the tea from Nowiamnappy. What else? I am co-washing. I am only shampooing or clarifying my hair once a month. Washing my hair every week. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing for now. So yeah, I don't know whether or not I should leave this in for a few hours or leave it in for 30 minutes. I really don't want to walk around smelling like onions. I have to go. But it's your choice. You can leave it in overnight You could leave it in. That's if you could take the smell. You could leave it in for an hour. A lot of people leave it in for just an hour. I might leave it in for just 15 minutes since I am speeding up the process by using heat. So basically, this is how I apply the treatment to my hair. I will leave this in for 15 to 20 minutes. And then I will literally wash my hair with shampoo this time around. Oh, I am taking biotin and multivitamin. Please don't forget to check out my store at www.houseoforganicbeauty.com, where I do have my homemade butters and oils for sale. You know, just check me out. I have a lot of goodies on there, especially for little ones too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, as always, don't give up and be blessed.